Every collection has a story, but most only see the final product. This is In the Making, Season 26. One collection, two perspectives, every detail. I'm iconic fashion figure, designer and founder of Nouveau Riche Apparel and Riche Stitch. This summer, I'll be designing Nouveau Riche Apparel's Spring-Summer 2026 collection. And for the first time ever, you'll get to see the full journey of what it takes for me to design the collection. Even the manufacturing side. At Riche Stitch, we don't just manufacture clothing, we bring visions to life. In this series, we are sharing the manufacturer's point of view. We're given the full behind the scenes of how we work with designers to help them build their collections from the ground up. This isn't just a collection, it's a full circle story, and I'm sharing it from both sides. Watch the designer's journey on iconic fashion figure and see the full manufacturing process on Riche Stitch.